Hello, today I'm gonna build my PC, my gaming slash video editing PC. I bought all the components I need online, and the plan is to build a micro ATX PC. To start with, I've got here the i7 9700K unlocked, and I've got the thermal paste to go with it. This was from Amazon. It was the best reviewed one. It's the MX4. This was about £5. The i7 was 290 quid. Next in line, I've got the motherboard. It's an mATX again. It's the Intel motherboard, MPG Z390M Gaming Edge AC. Next I have the RAM, and it's Corsair Dominator Platinum RGB. I'm going to use 32GB, and the price was about £180. Okay, next I have the graphics card, and it's the Asus GeForce RTX 2060, and I spent £290 on this one. And then I have the SSD NVMe. It's the Samsung 970 Evo Plus, and it was £150. The power supply unit, the Corsair HX750i. It's the HX series, which is the most efficient power supply I could find from Corsair. It cost £110. And I've got here the CPU cooler, and it's the Corsair H115i RGB Platinum. This one was £110. And here I've got the sound card. It's the Sound Blaster ODG FX by Creative, and it was £40. Last but not least, I've got the case. So the case is Phanteks, and it's micro ATX case. It's aluminium in the front and the top. The sides are glass panels on each side, and it's looking nice. It feels cool, as in cold, and it looks cool, as in awesome. I'm gonna video that while I'm putting all the components together, and let's see how it goes. Okay, so here we've got our motherboard. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to install the CPU. So first of all, we remove the plate, and then we're going to open this up. Okay, carefully. Now we've got our CPU. We're going to insert it this way. There we go. It's nicely in. Now we're just going to lock it in place. There we go. Next we're going to install our NVMe. We've got two slots for it. I'm going to choose the one that is the furthest from the CPU and the graphic card, so it doesn't heat up. So I'm going to go here. Okay, that's it. And then I'm going to locate this screw. The screw that came with the motherboard. It was in the motherboard box, and it was labelled M2. So put it in there. Okay, that's in. Next, we've got our 4 sticks of RAM. Okay. So there's only one side that you can unclip from here. So I'm gonna the other way around. So we go first on the solid side, and there we go. We got our stick in. Okay. And voila, we've got our CPU in, got our SSD, and we've got our RAM in. We're going to install the board inside the case, but before that, I'll just quickly show you the IOs here. We've got the MS2s for keyboard and mouse, Not sure who still uses that. I've seen it where it's quite handy for troubleshooting. Go USB port, that's USB 3.1 generation 2, also called 3.2. That's display port, HDMI, got another USB there, USB-C, Ethernet port, that's 1 gig, and 2 USB ports here. Got some Wi-Fi antennas, and we've got the sound card with 5.1 surround sound and an optical output. Let's open the cover, and now let's install the motherboard. Okay, this is our motherboard. I'm going to carefully align it. Next one up is the power supply. There you go. So I'm going to unwrap it and then we can install it. Just move the case here for a bit. Okay, so first of all we're just going to mount the power supply unit into the case. Get the case closer. Just need to align it. Next we've got the CPU radiator, so let's just open this one up. Got a couple of fans here, the radiator. There is our CPU cooler. This is our radiator from the top. Got 6 screws. We've got the graphics card, RTX 2060. It's sealed, so we're just going to open it up. But inside that box there is another box. There he is. The almighty 2060. Almighty for some. It's got 3 HDMI, 1 DVI. There you go. Straightforward. I like that. We just need to put the screws back in. That's our 8-pin connector in. Right, next up is the sound card, the Creative Blaster Odyssey FX. That's our card. Nice and simple. It's got loads of good reviews. Now this is the front. Nice and shiny. Okay, just gonna have a look inside. That's the CPU radiator. Underneath it is the NVMe. That's the RAM there. Our graphics card, and below it, don't know if you can see it, but that's the sound card, and our power supply unit. The fans are 1 in the back, 2 at the top, and 2 at the front. Now let's just switch it on. Okay, let's quickly just review the IQ software that controls the RGB lighting on the PC. So we can control the mouse, the CPU cooler, the RAM, the power supply unit and the fans. So we've got instant lighting, so we can just put them all in the same light. Go through a sequence, so we've got green, some blues, some pink and white, or you can just turn them all off. Let's have a quick look at the CPU and how we can customize it as well. So there's the fan speeds and there's the temperature, 27 degrees Celsius, so that's not bad. We can also choose different performances, so balanced, extreme, or turn off the fans. You can also have a look at lighting effects. So you choose what you want. You can just choose the top or all of it. You can also choose the middle. I'll show you. So that's the middle, just the logo. Or you can choose the whole lot, and that will give you all of it. So you can also have it as a static color, red or green or blue, or you can have it as a sequence. That's an example. There's a few others, some nice cool ones. You can also choose the speed, so you can slow it down, or you can just have it crazy fast. So let's just turn that off for now. Quickly have a look at the RAM. So it's the same. You can choose a dot or one RAM or all of it. You can choose different colors, or you can have a sequence. You can also choose the intensity and the speed. Okay, so let's just turn that off. Quickly have a look at the power supply unit. The fan is at 0, temperature 37. It's not bad at all. Power in, out. So you can actually have a nice view over the consumption. This is the fan control. So you can control each fan, or you can control all of them. So that's all the 5 fans. The same thing, you can just have it in different combinations for some nice effects. So let's just turn that off again. And finally, what I have is just the power supply unit light there. The usual, you can choose the color of what you want, or you can have some cool effects. Pulsing with colors. Now I'm just gonna benchmark the machine. I will show you that I overclocked the graphic card. These are my settings, nothing major. Also overclocked the CPU to 5 GHz. You can see it's here, and the voltage to 1378. The CPU is running at 46 degrees Celsius at the minute. I have been using it. So let's just benchmark that, compare it to other machines with the same spec. Okay, so
let's go and compare that. Okay, and let's go and compare it. Okay, so it says 87th percentile. That's not bad at all compared to other people with the same CPU. It says among the best. Same for the GPU, 94th percentile, among the best. Okay, let's play Forza Motorsport. Okay, so that's it for now. Thank you very much for watching, and please subscribe if you want to see more of these videos, and catch you later.